Absolutely not. You know, that is the thing I love the best about your product is that it's a framed wall with the panelized system to the outside. So it is so simple to run all your other systems just like you would in standard framing. And I have built multi-billion dollar houses in Aspen, and your framing was compatible to stuff I do there. So I was very impressed. You know, and the ease of it, like I said, because a lot of these panelized systems, you have channels, you have to run all your equipment through, all your wiring has to go through these channels, pre-built channels and so on. And it's a real nuisance when you're putting the house together. Whereas this way, wham, it's up, it's ready. It's really, it was an amazing system. I was very impressed. And I checked your panels for square. I found one that was a 16th inch out of a square, over 12 feet. I mean, that's amazing. So, very impressive work.